So today's lesson is going to walk you through your assignment. Your assignment is you're going to be asked to create a character web by writing words or phrases on each of the lines that describe how Fudge acts and feels. But I am using the last book that we read on my honor, and as an example, we're going to show how Joel acts and feels. And this is the web. You're going to have something very similar to this. It's not going to have the boxes, so you're going to write on the lines or the space between the lines. But because I'm typing, I had to set it up like this. So you want to write how this character acts and feels. So you will notice there's going to be some feeling and some action words here. So I started off with, because it's Joel, I did not necessarily start every sentence with Joel because it's written in the middle there. He felt nervous about riding his bike to the bluffs with Joel. Another feeling word, he felt distrustful of Tony because Tony didn't always follow the rules. So I should say over here, I made a mistake, didn't I? This should say Tony. Joel felt nervous about riding his bike to the bluffs with Tony. And he felt distrustful of Tony because Tony didn't always follow the rules. And Joel was in denial when he didn't tell anyone about Tony's disappearance. He kept thinking maybe he would show up somewhere. And Joel also blamed himself whenever Tony drowned. And he was panicked when Tony drowned. When he was still at the river, he was very panicked. And I'm going to add one more. I'm going to add down here, I have to do it in a little text box. So I'm going to write, this is more of an action. Joel acted very mean to his little brother because he was so worried about what had happened to Tony. So this is a way that he acted. He acted very mean to his little brother Bobby. So you can see that I filled up all the different sections, and I told how he felt, and I explained why he felt that way. So even though the directions might not say, explain why he felt that way, you know that your teacher expects a little more from you, and I don't want individual words written there.